Here I've got Apple iPad Pro 11 from 2020, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open these settings. Here they are. Now go to the General and pick date and time. And you have two options. You can use 24-hour format clock or you can turn it off. And now you can show AM or PM in status bar, it's up to you. So here you can apply it and then you can see the changes in the left upper corner. Let me show you it one more time. And also you can activate the date in your status bar. Just like this you can activate it. And let's go to the mentioned date and time. So it can be either automatic or you can turn off the automatic setup. And now you can pick date and time manually by yourself. And that's it. So let me choose this one. If you will go back, you will see that it has been applied. And that would be all. So you can change the date and time and also the format of your clock in Apple iPad Pro 11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.